a to the power t plus a to the power t plus a to the power t by 2 to the power t plus 2 to the power t is equal to 24. So find out the value of t. What is the value of t? First we can write this is the 3/8, so this is the 3/8 and this is the 2/2 and this is the 24. And now this is the 3/8, so 2 cube of t and this is the 2t, this is 2t, this is the, and this part is multiplied of with this and this part is divided, this 3 is divided here. And now this is the 3t and this minus t. We can write this term, this, and this term is, sorry, this is 8. This is 8. So this is the 16. And 16 we can write the 2 to the power 4. And so there this 2t is 2 to the power 4. So we can write here 2 to the power this same base. So this is this. So t value is 4/2 is 2. So t value is 2. Verify this. Verify. If 8 is 2 square, 2 square, this is a 2 square, a 2 square, a 2 square, and this is the 2 square, 2 square. So this value is this, and this value is 4 plus 4. So this total value is 192 and this is the 8. So divide this, so 24. So 224. Please verify. So prove it. So t value is